Welcome back. I mentioned to you that a dictionary of values can hold any sort of data type, like a list, like a string, and a boolean value, right? But what about the keys like weapons, greet, and is magic? They're all strings, right? Now, I have used all these strings to denote a key, but could I do something like this? I just wanted to put here 1, 2, 3. I just wanted to assign a number and I just wanted to use this dictionary and print. Just wanted to paste it here. I just wanted to print the list 1, 2, and 3. So I just use this key value. Now I could able to do that, right? Awesome. That means it works. What about true? And I just wanted to use a boolean value here, which is true. Now, similarly, I just wanted to execute this. Let's see if that works or not. Yes, that works. Right. Now, what about list? Let's say, let's say I just wanted to put a square brackets here and wanted to assign this to true. Let us just see will it be okay or not. Well, it just gives a typo error which is unhashable type list. What does that mean? Dictionary keys need to have a special property. A key needs to be immutable. That is, a key cannot change. Like, right? I mean, this is a value that cannot change. A string, if you remember, it is a value that cannot change. It's immutable. But a list, if you remember, it can be changed, right? On a list, I can reassign and let's say that index of 0 to something else, right? Just because of you can change it. That means if you assign some index in a list, it will be changed. So so it's like it's storing them in the memory and it won't want to lose them actually. So it has to be something that is not going to change on that which we are using. Well, dictionary doesn't really want that because it doesn't want to lose that value. So a dictionary key always has to be immutable. Well, that is clear now. Now coming to the other thing, um, let us just put it in a original form. Now if I just wanted to use uh, the same key like which is there on the top 1, 2, 3, can it be possible if I wanted to use a 1, 2, 3 here? Let us just try. That means it's just taking only one key. That means the duplicates it is not allowing, right? So it is also clear that dictionary will not allow any kind of duplicate keys. Well, this is it for now. We will see you in the next video.